2021 GMC AT4 6.2 liter V8 monster of a truck. Really beautiful truck. Not even less than 2,000 miles on it. There's the factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it goes into 3.5 inch, and then we did a 3-inch pipe where the muffler used to go. Look at them welds. And then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. Took out the flap that was in the front, and then continued it with the original exhaust. And these come with a flap on them in the front. You always want to take it out when you do any kind of modification to the muffler, because they rattle really bad. So we always take them out. Then it winds out over here from the factory. Then we left the resonators. Here they want it too loud. If you take the resonators out, it makes it another like 30% louder about. And then it's got the tips built into the bumper. AT4. And there's the 45-inch muffler that was on it. And there's that flap that I was telling you guys about. Let's see, hold on. You can see it. So that's it right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you like it. Oh yeah, much better. This is perfect. It's not too loud, not too quiet. If you guys want a link to there'll be a link in the description for it. Here's sound decibels. Have it. About 96. It's not too loud. That means it won't drone too much inside either. GMC Sierra AT4. Beast of a truck. I like it. Really nice white color too. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC AT4. Beautiful. Damn. It's got some power to it. Hope you guys enjoy.